So here are the ingredients for making chili dog sandwich are 4 pieces of sausage because we are going to make 4 sandwiches. 4 pieces of hot dog bun. 200 grams of ground meat. We need cooking oil, mustard sauce for our dressing, mayonnaise, tomato paste, grated cheese, 1 piece of onion, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 piece of cucumber, a little slice of red bell pepper, a little of lettuce, a little bit of salt. So we are going to chop our garlic. And we are going to slice our onions. And our bell pepper. Our lettuce. Our cucumber. And of course, our cheese. So we are going to cook our sausage. So our sausage is already cooked. We can remove now. In the same pan, I'm going to cook our chili sauce. So I will put together the garlic and onion. I will add our beef. I will add a little bit of black pepper. I will add a little bit of black pepper. And I will add water to cook the beef. Add your 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Put the cover and let the meat will cook. We will check our beef. Okay, so there's a little bit more of water, so we need to dry this beef sauce. So cover it. So guys, we are going to heat our bread. So we just need to grill our bread. If you have a steamer, you can steam your bread. If you have a microwave, you can microwave it. So whichever you want to use. Just make sure that the bread is hot. So this is the bread. And put a little bit of mayonnaise. Spread it. Add a little bit of mustard. Put your sausage. Add your chili sauce. Put a little bit of cucumber. And your lettuce. And of course, our cheese. So there you go guys. This is our chili dog sandwich.